Luzon, all we can do is to pray for all of them and let the will of the Lord be established sa mga righteous leaders aning atong nation, and let His kingdom come